Hey everyone! Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out in the hair industry, making a great first impression is crucial to being able to build a clientele. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks on how to do just that. The first thing you want to do is to greet the client warmly. As soon as you greet your client, you should do so with a smile, with a great attitude, a handshake if you're comfortable doing that, and making great eye contact. Doing these things will help build instant trust with your client and put them right at ease and ready to be able to indulge in a fantastic visit with you. The next thing you want to do is listen to their needs. Ask them what their needs are and what they're looking for in the service that you are about to provide them. Having this consultation period helps them to relax and feel comfortable with you as a stylist. And it also helps you to gauge what their needs are and how you can best serve them. The next thing is to be honest with them. If you feel that the client's desired hair color will not be suitable for them or for their skin tone, let them know. Explain your concerns and offer alternatives that will help serve their needs and help them feel really great about themselves. This honesty will help you to establish the all-important trust that is the key to having a successful clientele. The next thing you want to do is pay attention to details. Paying attention to the small details is a great way to be able to make that all-important first impression. You want to make sure that your work area is clean, that your uniform is clean, and that you have all the necessary products and tools that you will need to service the client in the best way possible. The next thing you want to do is provide excellent customer service. Be attentive, be friendly, and be sure to engage in lively conversation with your client. Sometimes they are there to be educated, sometimes they want to be entertained, sometimes they just want to relax. It's up to you to make their visit as enjoyable as possible by paying attention to these details and catering to those needs. Finally, finish with a flourish. After completing the service, take the time to show them their new look and ask them if they are pleased with it. Be sure to provide them with aftercare advice and recommend any products that you feel will help them to be able to maintain this great new look that you just helped them achieve. Finally, thank them for their service and invite them to come back for another appointment with you. Making a great first impression is essential to building a lasting relationship with your client. By greeting them warmly, listening to their needs, being honest with them, providing exceptional customer service, paying attention to details, and finishing with a flourish, you can create a positive and enjoyable experience for your client. I hope that you found these tips to be helpful. And if you did, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. All of that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for your support.